The battle of the brushes. The Unbrush versus the Tangle Teezer. I have 3 rounds. We'll decide which brush is the best at detangling my type 3 hair. Or is it type 4? Let me know in the comments. My hair is freshly washed. I did detangle my hair in the shower, so it is a little bit unfair. It shouldn't be hard to detangle anyway. Round 1. How many times do I have to brush my hair to remove all the knots in this particular section? So we have the Unbrush on the left and the Tangle Teezer on the right. The Unbrush, we had 3 brushes. The Tangle Teezer, it was 6 brushes. So this round goes to the Unbrush. I'm now doing a 2-strand twist on both sides just to keep the hair away from the unbrushed sections. Otherwise, we just have knots and tangles all over the place. Round 2. I have a feeling this one will really set the two apart. We're going for the big guns. So I have a big section in the front of both sides. How many times will it take for the brush to detangle the knots in this particular section? The Unbrush, we have 7. The Tangle Teezer, we have 7 as well. What? A tie? I'm shocked. So the Tangle Teezer is better at detangling when it has more hair or bigger sections? Okay, that's impressive. So it's a tie. The last and final round. How much hair was lost from detangling my whole head with each brush? The Tangle Teezer. Yeah, there's not much. I'm actually trying to look for the hairs to pick it out. But we've got some. A slight little wall. How many? 7 hairs. Half my head. That's impressive. The Unbrush. Even less. Okay, this shows I detangled my hair very well in the shower. I think we have a clear winner. Ding, ding, ding. Obviously, the Unbrush wins. But not by a long shot. It was close. What do you think? Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.